Top. Oh, you're wondering why this looks different? Well, this guy called Chibi Narancha made this. So, say thanks to him. Anyways, Tater Top predictions. Oh no, he's gonna suck me. Not that type, you filthy freak. Hey, I can just wake up. It's 5. I just needed 1 more hour of sleep and that's all. Okay, class, turn to page 7 on your Hate That Dog! Why do we not go to the same school? I mean, you go to gym school, but why? Start calling. He told me he would be in a minute. Oh, there he is. Boys, you won't believe. No, buddy, shut up. Let's go to my dad's house because he said we will go to a park and then we'll explore caves. To the left, look to the right. Let's go. Splash.
Okay, kids.
Dad, can I go to the front? Y'all can go to the back, I guess. Tater Tot predictions.